to our Canton Fair broadcast show.
Hello everyone, this is Tony.
This is Alex. Today we are going to introduce the IC prepaid energy meters instructions for you to tell you how to use the prepaid meters and
Yes.
the software.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. For the IC card prepaid meter, I think many customers they have bought our meters and they want to know how to operate. So here I have brought here the whole system and to show you how to operate.
Yeah. So firstly, is which step to do?
Firstly, we need to keep all the device connected. The card reader to the computer USB and the meters connect electricity.
So
Yeah.
before connect the IC card reader to the computer, what we have to install to the computer, for what
yeah.
kind of software?
Yes, yes. We normally we will send you the system, the management system, and for the system, I can show you how to install it.
And the system is free for all the users.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's get started for the system installation. And firstly, for this card reader requires a driver. So before install the main software, we need to install the USB driver to make the card reader function. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the USB driver installed done. So we will go to the next step to install the meter
Manager system.
Yeah.
Now you can see there's an icon on the computer desktop.
Yes. And here we in the we will send you the package of the system and for the for the login and the password here will be a document to tell what is the password and
Yeah.
you just follow it. Okay. We will do the first.
Now you click the OK
Yes.
by the
Yes. Okay.
mouse.
Okay.
So what's this page?
This is the page for the when you start to use this lead to like kind of setting system settings like register all of your information like your sales station and the system the name of system and this register code. And this register code is very important when once in here the suggestions use the postcode for registration. If you change this code, all the data will be gone. So normally do not change it, or you can keep it the default.
Okay, so before you input this register code, you must think carefully which code you
Yes,
would like
yes,
to
you
input,
must
and
remember.
cannot be changed in future.
Yes, yes, right. Okay, we can input some demos like Go Melon meter. Go Melon. Okay. And here the register code, I keep it default and didn't change it. And okay, let's move to the next step. This is for the normally we don't need to change this page, and this just for test the card reader if it is connect or disconnect. Here we can see the load is here, already connected.
Android.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, and to the next is invoice setup. The invoice we we can we need to select it for the first time. We have two types of format of invoice. Normally, customer they don't need it because this paper is not A4. This is not standard paper.
Yes. If some customer need it, you can use a print machine to print this for them.
Yes, yes. Okay, and we move to the next. This I think register is just this removes indicate is blank, so I think this setup already done. Okay, and before use we another steps which is important before use this system, that is the price setup. We can go to the setup maintenance and the operator price setup.
This is a very important procedure.
Yes. Here we can see here first is the types of the meter. Here you just follow this nameplate. There will be different amperes and different types of meters. Also, you can edit this type of meters from here. And normally you can use whatever types of meter, and that will works. Sometimes you cannot find the similar amperes or types. You can find a very close one. Like if you can find a 560, you can use or 15 to 60. So as a replacement. Okay, for this I can add one. This is meter tab. I think this is single phase. You can one by one. And if you are 220, you can choose different voltage. This is overload multiple. That means if you choose here is choose the 5, and the multiple is 10. This will be 5 to 50. 5 to 50.
Yeah. This is basic ampere.
Yes.
This is 5 plus 10 means maximum ampere 50.
Yes. Okay. I think we just show the demo. We already chose this model, so save. Okay, as you can see, this meter already added in the database. Okay, so the types of meter, the model type, we already added in the database. So we can move to the next step, the most important
electricity price type.
Yes. Before use, you need to set, because I think every customer their price is different. So you here have different types of price. For you can delete those price that is not necessary, and just remove one.
If the system already kept the price, then this price cannot be deleted.
Yes. I think here must be someone using some customer already registered inside. So
Okay, anyway, you can add or delete the price set
yes,
at here.
yes. Firstly, if you want to change the price, unit price, first you need to modify and input the price, actual price, and then okay, and save and quit.
This is the unit price for per kWh. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And for the last one is the array. That means the objects, if you want to add like a kind of branches, you can add here. So if you want to like say central building, office, and normally if you don't have much users, you can keep it as default.
Okay.
So I think all the preparation is done. So we can get started to the next step.
Next step is to set the IC card.
Okay.
So first, what kind of card to set firstly?
Before we need to register the customer. We need to connect all the customer information and register the card for new customer from new
Okay,
customer.
now we have
Yeah.
many cards, so we have to choose the user.
Yes, user card. This user card. You need to remark this card the name of the user in case of mixed. Okay. For the registration, we need to okay, one by one. This is the meter tab. Meter tab, we can choose the meter we are using, and the meter rate. Meter rate. This is for the city tab. So here we can keep it default if you use all single phase. And the limit model, that means limited power. If you need to limit the power like 2 kilowatt, you can choose this. Normally you need keep it default. Okay, so this almost all are default, and you can see this price we already changed before 1.2. So
Okay.
so start to register the meter. And this is the manufacturer number. Manufacturer number, that means the number on your nameplate is here.
Meter number.
Yes, in the bottom of the meter. So for the in the system registration, we need to input the last 8 digits. Normally we register by last 5 digits. Okay, we can, here we go. This last 6 digits is 0, 8, 0, 5, 5, 3, 6, 6. Okay. The meter has not been added.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click
Yeah.
OK. Yeah.
Okay. And here, customer name, we can input it Romelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just to show the demo. And this by power, that is if you for the first 10 when your customer to start use the electricity, you can input how much power they want to buy from here, and this is the total amount.
Yeah.
And then enter charge confirmation and save and OK.
Then the users have to pay the 12 to you by cash.
Do not have the card, so I forgot to insert the card. on site.
Must be this arrow
Yes.
inside.
Yes, like this. So you can see uh, the open card is complete.
Yeah.
So
And furthermore, this card for each meter is uniquely, and nobody can copy this card from another computer through another IC card reader.
yes,
One card to 1 meter uniquely only.
yes, yes,
It's
right.
very safe.
So once you open the new account, the card must input this meter to activate the meter. Otherwise, you cannot buy the electricity. So for the first time, must remember, must input this card to the meter.
Yeah, insert this card
Yeah.
to the meter.
Yes, sure. You
Yeah.
can show you here, and this is the meter. We just buy 10 units. You can see the buy power, and the total how much you need inside, and the how many times you buy power here will be display on the LCD screen. So I think this open account is already done. Yeah. So we can what we need is we can go to the next step too. So for the first time the open account done, so just for the following, all you need if customer run out of credit, they can come again to the sales station and get into the system, and all you need is just go here, come here, the sales, and input the card reader to the input the card to the card reader and read. And the read here will be show answer.
Minute.
Okay, I gotta show you. I can explain you here today for how to operate, and here maybe pop up some errors. So once you open the new account, you just come here to the sales and select the read the card, and here will pop up the customer information, and they just input the unit the customer want to buy, and then convert charge and save, and the sales done. So you just take out the card to give to the customer, and will be this electricity will be recharged.
Okay, so this is procedure for the user card.
Yeah.
So now here I can see many other cards, such as replace card or reset card. Can you explain more how to use reset card or replace card?
Okay. Here, the receipt card is for some customers, they lost their card, and they cannot find the card back, so they need to
Buy a new card.
Yes, buy a new card. So for this step, we need to go to the remake. remake card. And here you need to connect the previous invoice, and then make, and then find the
You must find the
Yeah.
meter ID,
Yes.
which is the user already lost.
yes.
Yeah.
And this user this ID and find the user you want to the card you want to issue, so and okay. Okay, the card
Reissue, you can see here in the screen. Reissue user card produce is completed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this card is done. It's very easy to
Yeah.
handle.
After the card has been replaced, the old card, previous card will be not useful anymore. If somebody finds that previous card, that card cannot be used again.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us more about the reset card?
The reset card that means you some customer some customer they you want to reset this meter, and or some by unknown errors you want to reset this meter. So this is the procedure. This is the card we will be used.
Okay, can you also show us how to use it in the system?
Yeah. For this card, you need to go to the make for the management card for special use card make. Here you can come to here, and here is here the make ID is the meter number. You need to input the meter number like I did as you registered.
So last 8
Yes.
digits on the nameplate.
Okay.
Now you can see in the screen, writing clear card produce completed.
Okay. To refresh the meter, except this reset card, you need another preset card to work together to refresh this meter.
Okay, I can see.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Preset.
Yes. So here you just it is precision, same place. Go to the make, and this is the window popped up, and go to the last one, presetting card. And this is the part whatever you want you can input. This just input the unit like 5, and then write. Okay, done. So firstly, if you want to reset this meter, you need to use this reset card. Reset this meter to 0, and then the preset card to activate this meter. So after these two steps done, the meter becomes totally new, or the data has gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll start from 0 again.
Yes, you can use this meter as a new meter.
Yeah. For example, previously this meter used for one rental house. Then this rental house, the man changed Then another user
Yes.
use it again. You can
Yes.
reset the meter
Yes.
for
Yes.
that user again.
Yes. That's right.
So the last card is for what purpose?
The, the last card is uh, you sometimes you want to check what is the reading and what is the status. Maybe the meter is going wrong. So you want to check the information, the data in the meter. So you need to go to the same place like make
Okay.
card.
What's the name of this last card?
This card is said management
Management.
card. Yes, you just go to the management card and write the card. Okay, and done. So this is just the card for management. This management card is for the purpose of reading the data from the meter. So you need to use the card, input the meter, and the data will feed back to the card. So you if you want to read the information, you just input, take out the card, input the card reader again, and then read. It will be show up this is what is the errors popped up, or how many what is the readings, and what is the history of the meter.
Okay, in a word, this card is for the owner of the house.
Yes,
And
yes,
the
not
owner,
for user.
the owner can use this card to check all the meters, right?
Yes, yes.
Check all the meters or just
Check
one meter?
check all the meters.
meters in
Yeah.
one project.
Yes, yes.
Use one card
Yes.
enough.
So rest of the management, we already have the document to show and already explain uh, how to make it. Okay, here is another steps, and I think it's necessary to explain you everyone. That is for the data restore. This data restore is um, sometimes your meter, your computer was crashed. You need to restore. You need to the or the you want to find the data, restore the data from previously. So you need to get the database first.
So the important is you must keep the database safely in one document.
Yes, yes, you're right. So, firstly, you need to copy this database from the previous, like a USB or some else.
Yeah.
And then we can go to the system to show how to. Here also a guidebook to show how to do it. And the setup maintenance, and this area database configuration, and restore, and browse, and you can see this is the database already existed in the system. So we can choose the latest one. So you can see here is the data, the date of the database. So open, start, restore, and OK. So once this the so start restore and done, and you can see here. I think you can come to the inquiries, so you can find all the data has restored. Okay, I think I think that's all for the IC card system, management system.
So what else? Such as maintenance or
The maintenance inside this data restore we already show, and the card replacement yes, or already yes, and the refund. The refund is it's just manually to do it.
yes.
So this for this one you can see we already have the guidebook how to refund the once the meter is broken.
Yes.
Okay.
If the meter broken, you still have the credit in the meter. Then the users require a refund from the owner. Then the owner can refund through this.
Yes, yes. Okay, everyone. Thanks for your watching. I think the IC card meter is. If any more questions, you can send emails or for the further assistance.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Right. Now, our
Wait,